merci beaucoup. Je suis Dinane Saint-Fleur de la Chambre de commerce haïtiano-américaine. Ça fait déjà 8 ans depuis qu'on existe et j'ai commencé la Chambre de commerce avec des amis parce qu'on voulait avoir les moyens de notre politique. And today I realize that we are not only here to do business, but also we have politicians among us. The Chamber is here to help people network.
My name is Joe Celestin. I am the retired mayor for the city of North Miami. Many of you know me as the first black or the first Haitian American elected mayor in the United States and also in the state of Florida.
Wow.
I cannot explain to you the joy that I have now to know I'm standing right next to a young person, or maybe below 30. Perhaps she looks young. And she's a doctor. Because when we came here, we were viewed as ignorant, old people, uneducated, poor, whatever else you can imagine. And now today, this is what we have. And we have to congratulate the parents.
Like you said, Mrs. Lesson, it's about relationship. It's about making that phone call. Thank you so much for having me.
Let's do it, Doc.
1, 2, 3.
That's it.
One more.
We are now open for business.